should make a vow today that we will do something. Each one of us can save one child. We cannot change alone many things, but together we can do it.
What we can do to make a difference, to make sure that there is a mother, and a mother doesn't give birth today thinking that her baby may die in a day, a week, a month, or a year, and to make sure that these most dangerous hours of a woman and a child's life are well taken care of.
As a media house, we are already partners with the White Ribbon Alliance, and I would like to take this opportunity to renew that pledge that we have with White Ribbon Alliance, with Save the Children, that we will do everything in our power to bring to the public these terrible stories of mothers and their children in India, and thereby perhaps create a change in mentality.
I call on all of us to add our voices, speak with and speak for these children and women, so that women and children in our country no more remain invisible when they are alive and uncounted when they die. Thank you.
When we talk about health infrastructure, we do not even have the health workers. You can't save the children unless the focus shifts to the mothers. And somewhere the policies need to be in place, according to me, which needs to focus, if we really wish to have any sincere effort towards making the rights of women and saving the children.
I couldn't help thinking that there are so many issues that are related to this particular issue. So it's like a dominoes effect. If one gets resolved, the second one follows, the third one follows, the fourth one follows, and so on. So my pledge, Kanika, is the next piece, my solo, will be on saving the lives of children.
Another focus, I think, which we also need to understand is that why do young people, whether they are single, need to understand what being a health worker can mean. My pledge is, even if each one of us creates awareness among 5 people in our focus zones, I think we will make a change.
I definitely hope and wish that we can definitely work with the angels on ground.
The primary reason for me to be here today is that I'm a son first. Much before I became a father or a politician, I can only pledge as a young citizen, as a young representative of the people, we will be able to save the mothers and we'll be able to save the children and really make the country of our dreams.
Padma Shri awardee is right here with us. A special token of our love, our affection to you.
White Ribbons Alliance और Save the Children जैसे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो हमें प्रोत्साहन दे रहे हैं, सिर्फ मुझे नहीं, हमारे पूरे हेल्थ वर्कर को और अच्छी तरह काम करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किए हैं.
And knowing how close I came to folding up on so many occasions early on, I have no doubt that if it were not for a timely visit by a health worker, many more women would simply give up and many more babies die. So what I'd like to do is draw together a group of writers, if I can, and who would contribute to an anthology on motherhood, and which will examine motherhood from all sorts of angles, and illuminate very different sorts of worlds if we can manage this. Not necessarily syrupy and sentimental, although there's nothing wrong with some of the celebratory stuff as well. It is Mother's Day today, we have to remember there's lots to celebrate. But which tells it like it is, warts and all, so that it is flagged up that for many women, motherhood is not all talcum powder and fluffy toys. And of course, the proceeds of the sales of the book should go to fund at least one health worker, who will no doubt ensure that a few more mothers go on to experience the joys of motherhood rather than the